Did you know that ceramic is ideal for all kinds of outdoor applications? It's perfect for terraces, pathways, and verandas, even in continuous indoor-outdoor solutions. Extra thick ceramic withstands even the heaviest loads and can be laid over grass, gravel, and sand without adhesives. Ceramic offers a range of solutions for swimming pools, solariums, and spas, and can even be used inside the pool. Ceramic resists atmospheric agents and UV radiation, making it the perfect covering for outdoor facades, even on ventilated walls designed for thermal comfort. Thanks to its excellent thermal conductivity, ceramic is ideal for use on heated floors in all kinds of rooms. Raised ceramic floors are practical and safe for offices, shops, and historic buildings, both indoors and outdoors. Ceramic provides custom solutions for all kinds of surfaces. In the kitchen, it's ideal for countertops and storage spaces. In the bathroom, for coordinating tops and wash basins with the walls and floor. Ceramic gives a prestigious finish to tables, reception counters, decorative doors and walls, and many other applications. Ceramic, a safe choice.